Welcome to my video on finding the volume and the surface area of the fattest cat in the world. The problem is that we have a fat cat, the fattest in the world. The problem is that we have to find the volume and the surface area of the cat. However, the thing is, it's not a regular object, so we can't find it out using our normal theories or formulas. So the two involves estimation and calculation. The other involves, well, mutilation. That's cutting it apart. Wouldn't be that safe. So I'll describe the mathematical way to find the volume of this cat before going into a third method that we learned about. The first method, we'll have to find the dimensions of our fat cat. This cat in the image here is the cat in question. The average height of the cat is about 9.5 inches, but we'll round that up to about 10 inches to account for some of the fat. The average length of a cat is 18 inches, but again, we'll round that up to 20 inches to account for the fat. Finally, we need the cat's width. The width of the most cats is about 8 inches, so we multiply that by 4 to account for this cat's fat. So our values are the cat height, 10 inches, cat length, 20 inches, cat width, 32 inches. So, for the cat body parts, we're going to have to divide the cat up into its separate body parts if we want to figure out how to find it. For the dimensions that we listed, it would only be for the cat's torso. You'd still need to find the head, legs, ears, and tail measurements. The head is similar enough to a cube, so we can use that formula. It has the measurements of about 5 by 5 by 5. The ears are pyramids, with a height about 2 inches and a base about 4 inches squared. The legs are all cylinders with a radius of 0.75 inches and a height of 4 inches. Finally, for the tail, it has a length of about 7 inches and a radius of about 0.5 inches. Now we have all the information we need to find the estimated volume and surface area of this cat. For the torso, you could do 10 times 20 times 32 equals 6,400 cubic inches. For the legs, you get pi times 75 squared times 4 again equals 28.26 cubic inches. You multiply it by 4 again, because there's 4 legs. For the head, it would just be 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125 cubic inches. For the ears, it will be 4 times 2 over 2 times 2 for the second ear equals 8 for both ears. The tail will be pi times 0.5 squared. I add all these together, and I get 6,561.26 cubic inches, the volume of this cat. Using the same values, you can determine the surface area. The surface area of the body is equal to 2 times 32 times 20 times 10 times 20 times 10 times 32. This equals 81,920,000 square inches. The paws are equal to 2 pi r squared plus the circumference times the height. This translates to 2 pi times 0.75 squared plus 2 pi times 0.75 times 4. Surface area of one paw is 32.94 square inches. You multiply that by 4 for all the paws, and you get 131.88 square inches. For the head, you would set it up like this. 2 times 25 times 25 times 25, the same formula as the body, to get 31,250 square inches. For the head, you'd set it up like this. Oops, sorry, that was misreading. For the tail, it would be like this. 2 pi times 0.5 squared plus 2 pi times 0.5 times 7 equals 23.55. Finally, for the ears, we can solve for the surface area like this. 1 times 2 over 2 equals 1 times 3 equals 3 for one ear. Both ears equal 6 square inches. Finally, if you add up all the surface areas together, you get 81,951,411.43 square inches. Now, the third method is Archimedes' method, where it's much easier, where you place the cat into a body of water, and the amount of water displaced by the cat's presence would equal the cat's volume. However, this would prove very difficult, as most cats hate water, as evidenced by this picture. So that's how I would figure out the volume and surface area of the cat.